What is the importance of repentance and reparation before death? Wrongs that cause harm to others require repentance, forgiveness and restoration of wholeness. If a person has wronged someone else, unless he or she apologizes to that person, repents for the wrong caused and is forgiven, he or she will carry that burden into the spirit world. If someone has something against a person who has not apologized, progress is hindered in the spirit world. When we can acknowledge the harm done to others and make amends by seeking forgiveness, then spirit healing can take place. This frees both parties for greater love and spiritual growth. A reorientation of one's life toward God and love at any time is of great value. If a person is able to take this step while still on earth, and especially to make amends for any wrongs done, this will do much to improve his or her status in the spirit world. The next step for the last-minute repentant is to retain this new orientation and, once he arrives in the spirit world, do whatever is necessary to continue to grow there. The quality of energy we maintain is affected by whether our intentions and actions lead us toward goodness and God or separate us from it.